every piece of content that you put out there, if you're confident on your brand, if you like it, everything that you do, act as if 100 million people were gonna see it. And at some point, many, many more people will.
And now I have even more questions leaving here, which I think is a great thing because it's like broadened my scope of things I didn't even realize I needed to know about. So I'm gonna leave here, go back to Chicago, and do more.